Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on XRP. All right, there's enough to talk about. We'll talk about technicals mostly. Maybe we'll take a look at some fundamentals, but most of you know the drill. If you're new to the channel, then if you're interested in XRP updates like this, which I guess you can only judge that at the end of this video and see if you like the analysis or not, then consider subscribing. But for now, let's get right into it. So a brief overview of what we said yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, I think so. So yesterday, XRP had reached 55 cents. And what we said is that, all right, well, that's great, but that's not that strong of a resistance level. It's more likely that it will get up to our main price target at 56.5 cents. And then if Bitcoin is very bullish, it could even get up higher towards 58 and 60 cents, which it eventually did spike up to. It probably depends a little bit on your exchange. Like usually spikes like these are very different because of order book differences across exchanges. So it did spike up there, but in the end, like 56.5 cents was the main resistance. Like it never broke above that level. So that brings us in the following situation, and that is that XRP is retracing a little bit, and that's partially because Bitcoin is also, it looks like Bitcoin has found a strong resistance around 34,000, and it's showing some weakness. Like if you check out most of the altcoins right now, they're all reacting pretty heavily to this bearish momentum from Bitcoin, which I think a retracement for Bitcoin is coming, and I also think that's healthy. But for altcoins, that could be bad, all right? Especially now that the Bitcoin dominance is super strong. All right, this basically means that if Bitcoin drops down, altcoins will drop down even lower relatively to Bitcoin. All right, so the big question now is what will XRP do? Because technically it is still bullish. All right, even though it's not finding that much support at the 0.382 fib, it's still bullish as long as it's above like 53.5 and 53 cents. So what we're going to see today, I would say, is I think that bearish momentum from Bitcoin is going to push XRP down to that level, around 53 cents. And it will find support there, or at least I assume it will find support there, all right? Because if it doesn't, then XRP is actually neutral again, like it's no longer bullish. Not what I expect. It's a possibility if Bitcoin retraces very quickly, like in a little bit of a dump down to 31,500, which is a possibility, but not what I expect. I think it's most likely that XRP will drop down to that level, and then depending on the support it gets there, it will either retain its bullish momentum or it will drop down lower. So in my eyes, it all depends very much on 54 cents. Right, so like I said, it will drop down to 53 cents. And then from there, if it's able to break above 54 cents again, XRP is still bullish. And I expect it to hit 56.5 cents again. And we might even start talking about going up to 58 and 60 cents again. All right, so it really depends on how much support it gets at 53 cents. Because if it's not able to break above 54 cents again, that's major bearish confirmation. All right, and then just purely technically, XRP is actually back in this range again, which would indicate a drop down towards that level between 51 and 50 cents. So that is, I think, everything you need to know. Maybe you would like a most likely scenario from me, because in the end, this is a price prediction, and now it's more of an analysis, right? Which I think is more valuable, but still. And it's hard to say, all right, because it relies that much on Bitcoin, which you can also see right here, like the correlation between XRP and Ethereum, and on the short term between Bitcoin and XRP is super high. I would say it's most likely that Bitcoin will pull back, all right? And if Bitcoin pulls back towards 32,000, Bitcoin is still bullish, but XRP will probably overreact. So that's why I think a little bit of a drop down to at least 51 cents is most likely on the short term. From there, it could turn bullish again, but I'll keep you updated on that, all right? That's my take on it for now. I'm trying to keep these videos a little bit shorter. Lastly, I also have my own premium/signal group in which I share all of my trades. Very profitable, especially this week was quite good. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the week, and bye.